There you go. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Now, when preparing for this little talk that we're having this afternoon, I was doing some research, and I went out on Twitter and I looked around, and do you know what? It looked like to me like a big data blockchain that seamlessly create omni-channel predictive analytics on a Snapchat dashboard for millennials on the Internet of Things. Now, does it make any sense? No? Is this the future of finance? Is it? Is it really? Well, we're from 5 Degrees. This is Friedrich Reinesen, Director of Product Development. And my name is Ernst Roelofs. And do you know what? We don't know either, right? But luckily, there are a few things that we can be sure of. Now, one is that all the words I just mentioned make fantastic hashtags. Now, number two is that we don't know really what's going to be the next big thing. The only thing we know is we have to be prepared and we have to be ready for whatever the future will bring us. Now, number three is that we live in a world of transformation, right? A transformation that requires both the technology and the business models to be dynamic, to be creative, and to be shared, right? In order to keep the pace and remain relevant. Now, being relevant is top of mind of all the players out there. I mean, there's the disruptors, there's the challengers, there's the banks, and even the non-banks. But no matter what the type of organization, we believe that it's time to get ready for marketplace banking. Now, you might wonder, how does a marketplace bank differ from a traditional bank that we all know and maybe even love today? Well, it boils down to two simple things. People. We need people with the right mindset. And second, we need an infrastructure. An infrastructure that lifts fast, simple, and convenient into reality. Well, let's open up the hood of a marketplace bank. We're going to show you Matrix, our banking platform, to guide you along the way.
So Matrix is a banking product that is used on a daily basis by employees and customers. The employees have a good overview of what is happening within the bank, and they have information about their customers in the system and all of the interactions that they have with those customers. But how can this platform support this vision of a fintech or marketplace banking? Well, first of all, we have Matrix accounts, our lean, service-oriented product backend, where banks and the service providers of tomorrow can actually build their own products to deliver to the clients as services. Well, Matrix is much more than that. It's also an orchestrating hub that can deliver any product across any channel. And at the heart of this all is our automated workflow engine, where the bank can model their own processes, or they can actually remodel existing ones to stay compliant and be in control. So looking at a process in the system, we have these ready-made activities that you can use in any workflow in the system. Once built, they can be used in any Matrix workflow. We have also created these API connectors, and again, they can be used in any workflow in Matrix, making this the API layer of Matrix.
Now, why do we need this API layer? Well, we need it to be able to provide these relevant products that are offered by third parties to our customers. Now, these third parties could be quite a few different players. They could be fintech parties, fintech partners, people that are here. They could even actually be other banks, right? Now why would we do this? And what's in it for a bank? Where is the upside? Well, let me give you a few numbers. A recent report published by Gartner actually showed that compared to today, you can save up to 90% in time and cost to market for these products or offerings, while generating an additional 30% in possible extra revenue on a year-to-year basis. So let's go ahead and connect one of these third-party providers for our customers.
So here is an example of a mobile application that is from a marketplace bank powered by Matrix. It is a regular banking application, so you simply log in. And here you have your financial overview, you have your checking accounts, you have your savings accounts, and then you can go ahead and create new accounts. Well, in this case, we see that the bank is only offering its clients one savings product. But what if this bank would like to offer external party products to its customers? Well, then we go back to Matrix, to the API layer I was showing you before, and use one of these API connectors that we've already built. In this case, we are going to be using rate setter, and we drag it into the workflow, and we have to connect it with the rest of the workflow. And finally, we want to tell the processing engine when actually to use this service provider. Then we go ahead, we save the process, and then we go back to the mobile application. And now we want to see what effect this had on the end customer.
Well, and there we have it. The product's been added and offered to our customers. Now, we did it very dynamically. Friedrich was pretty creative at it. And we deployed our shared ecosystem to be able to offer these products. But what did we do, in fact? We actually leveraged the data and the tools available to add some more relevance for our customers. And the relevance, as you can see, that we added, adds a whole new layer of convenience for our customers. And that convenience means serving our customers, which we believe is going to be the essence of marketplace banking. Thank you. Thank you very much.